In this two-port network, we will find the input impedance of this two-port network. While impedance parameter has been given, input impedance can be written as Zn is equal to V1 by I1. From this two-port network, we can write as, using the impedance parameter of this network, V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Assume it equation number 1 and equation number 2. From loop 2, we can write as V2 is equal to minus I2 into ZL. Put this value in equation number 2, minus I2 into ZL equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Solving this, we will get I2 is equal to minus Z21 whole upon ZL plus Z22 into I1. Put this value of I2 in equation number 1, we will get V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 into minus Z21 whole upon ZL plus Z22 into I1. From here, Zn is equal to can be calculated as V1 by I1, and that is equal to Z11 minus Z12 into Z21 whole upon ZL plus Z22. So this is the input impedance of this two-port network. Now we will calculate the Thevenin's equivalent across the output port of this two-port network using impedance parameter. To calculate the Thevenin's equivalent across the terminal AV, we will remove the output impedance ZL and assume a voltage VTH at this node. Since this terminal is open, so IT will be equal to 0. Now, using the impedance parameter, we can write V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 and Z22 I2. Here V2 is equal to VTH, and put I2 equal to 0 in these two equations. Then this term will be eliminated from both of the equations. Assume it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Using the KVL at input loop, we will get Vs minus Zs into I1 equal to V1. Put this value in equation number 1, we will get Vs minus Zs into I1 equal to Z11 I1. From where we will get I1 is equal to Vs whole upon Z11 plus Zs. Now put this value in equation number 2, V2 equal to Z21 into Vs whole upon Z11 plus Zs. This V2 is equal to VTH, so VTH can be written as Z21 whole upon Z11 plus Zs into Vs. To calculate the Thevenin's equivalent impedance, remove the ZL impedance and apply a test voltage between the node AB, and remove Vs voltage source at the input by its internal impedance. That means it will be short circuited. To find out Thevenin's equivalent, we can write ZTH is equal to Vtest upon I2. Apply KVL at input node. V1 is equal to minus Zs into I1. Assume it as equation number 3. From equation 1 and 3, we can write minus Zs into I1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. It will give us I1 is equal to minus Z12 I2 whole upon Z11 plus Zs. Put this value in equation number 2, we will get V2 is equal to Z21 into minus Z12 I2 whole upon Z1 plus Z3 plus Z22 I2. From the circuit, we can see that V2 is equal to Vtest, so Vtest is equal to minus Z12 Z21 whole upon Z11 plus Z3 plus Z22 into I2. Then ZTH can be written as Vtest whole upon I2 equal to Z22 minus Z12 into Z21 whole upon Z11 plus Z. Yes.